Don't pay too much to do your tax return. This is an emergency video because I went to do my taxes on Tax Act, which I've done every year because I do TurboTax, I'll try and do Tax Act, and Tax Act, my taxes end up being a little bit lower. This year, I go into Tax Act, I only have one 1099 from 2022. I made $1,100 last year. Being a gig worker or doing rideshare, you end up having to do your taxes differently. Other people that only have a W-2, they get to do their taxes for free and we don't. Last year, it cost me less than $100 to do my taxes, what Tax Act charged me. This year, less income than I've had in a long time. I sold one share of Apple stock, additional thing that I had to pay for. $40 selling one share of Apple ended up costing me more than that when I went to go do my taxes. Frustrated about this. I'm thinking, okay, maybe I should just go have somebody do my taxes. That would probably be cheaper. No, it costs $300 to have somebody do your taxes. And I know that there's places that you can go, and for different people, it's much cheaper. And then I found freetaxusa. freetaxusa. It only cost me $14.99 to file my taxes. It was much easier than any online tax filing service that I've ever used. It's the same kind of situation where they ask you a bunch of questions. Most of the time you're just leaving everything blank because my tax return is so simple. Federal return is free. I wasn't offered any kind of referral code or anything. I just wanted to let you guys know about this because Tax Act wanted me to pay $175 to do my taxes myself. Since I don't owe any taxes and I'm getting no money back, it seemed ridiculous to pay that kind of money. I'm broke right now. I cannot afford $175 to do my taxes because I made $40 on selling that Apple share. It was just really discouraging as far as investing in the stock market. Selling a stock and getting only $40 ended up costing me more than that. Anyway, do your taxes on freetaxusa. Don't pay the crazy amount of money that TurboTax and Tax Act are charging you. It was really easy for me to take my last year's tax return. You could download it from TurboTax or Tax Act, the PDF file for last year's return, upload that into freetaxusa, and that's going to make it a lot easier for you to fill everything out because it'll automatically fill out a lot of the stuff for you. Know how to structure your tax return based on last year's tax return. There you go. Got to get this out there real quick because today's tax day. Many counties in California, and I believe throughout the US, we don't have to file till October. Hopefully this will help those people out. If not people that are doing it right now and they find this video, use freetaxusa. Don't waste your money. Peace, guys. Love you long time.